Discover the world of Figma, a versatile design tool that's changing the game for designers everywhere. Figma is a cloud-based design tool, famous for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. It's like the Swiss Army knife of design tools, offering everything you need to create stunning designs, all in one place. From prototyping to designing user interfaces, Figma has an impressive suite of features that make it a go-to tool for both beginners and seasoned design professionals. One of the reasons Figma has surged in popularity is its collaborative nature. It allows team members to work together on a project in real time, from anywhere in the world. Figma also supports a wide range of plugins that can streamline your workflow and enhance your design process. It's no wonder that it's become a mainstay in the design industry, revolutionizing the way we conceptualize and create designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of Figma and how to use it to bring your design ideas to life. Before diving into design, create your own Figma account. Picture this as your own personal design studio, where your ideas come to life. Start by heading over to Figma's website. Click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email and create a password. Make sure to pick something memorable but secure. After all, your designs are precious. You'll receive an email to confirm your account. Click the link in the email and voila, you're in. Next, Figma will guide you through an onboarding process. It's a mini tour of your new design studio. You'll learn where everything is, from your design canvas to your tools and assets. Finally, it's time to set up your workspace. This is your playground where you can create, experiment, and perfect your designs. You can customize it to fit your workflow and style. With your account set up, you're ready to start exploring Figma's powerful features. Navigating the Figma interface is simple once you know what you're looking at. Figma's interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, but like any new tool, it can seem a bit overwhelming at first. Let's break it down to its core components to make it easier to understand. At the very top, you'll find the toolbar. This is where all your primary design tools live. From the Move tool for shifting elements around, to the Frame tool for creating containers for your designs, every key feature is at your fingertips. You'll also find the alignment and distribution tools here, which are crucial for ensuring consistency in your designs. To the left of your screen, you'll see the Layers panel. This is where all the elements you add to your design are listed in a hierarchical order. It's your visual map of everything that's going on in your project. You can hide, lock, and rearrange layers, allowing you to maintain control over the complexity of your designs. On the right side, there's the Properties panel. This is where the magic happens. You can adjust the details of any selected element here, from its color and font to its size and positioning. You can also add effects like shadows, gradients, and blurs to give your designs that extra flair. In the middle, of course, is your canvas. This is where you'll be doing most of your work, creating and arranging elements to form your design. You can zoom in for detailed work or zoom out to get a bird's eye view of your project. And finally, at the bottom right, you'll find the comments section. This is a collaborative tool that allows you and your team to leave feedback directly on the design. It's a powerful way to communicate and iterate on your work in real time. So there you have it, the Figma interface in a nutshell. It's a powerful tool, but remember that it's just a tool. Your creativity is what will truly bring your designs to life. Now that you're familiar with the Figma interface, it's time to start creating. Creating your first design in Figma is an exciting step in your design journey. Let's dive into the process. It all begins with a fresh canvas. To create a new design, click on the plus icon in the top right corner of your Figma dashboard. This will open a new tab with a blank canvas for you to start designing. Now, it's time to add some elements to your design. The toolbar on the left side of your screen is your best friend here. Let's start by adding a simple shape. Click on the square icon in the toolbar. Then, click and drag on your canvas to draw a square. You can adjust the size and position of your square using the handles around it. Want to add a splash of color to your square? No problem. With your square selected, head over to the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find the Fill option. Click on it and pick a color from the color picker. You'll see your square change color instantly. Next, let's add some text. Click on the T icon in the toolbar, then click on your canvas and start typing. You can adjust the font, size, and color of your text using the Properties panel, just like you did with the square. But that's not all. Figma also lets you manipulate your design elements in a variety of ways. Want to rotate your square or text? Just select it, then hover over one of the corners until you see a curved arrow. Click and drag to rotate. Need to duplicate an element? Simply select it, then press Ctrl+D if you're on a Windows, or Command+D if you're on a Mac, and there you have it. You've just created your first design in Figma. Experiment with different shapes, colors, and text styles to make your design truly unique. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Congratulations on creating your first design in Figma. Now, let's take a look at how to make it even better. Adding complexity and sophistication to your designs is easy with Figma's advanced design tools. To truly unlock the potential of your designs, it's time to dive into Figma's advanced features. Let's start with gradients. Gradients add depth and dimension to your designs. With Figma, you're not just limited to linear gradients. You can create radial, diamond, and even image gradients. The key is to experiment with colors and angles until you find the perfect gradient that elevates your design. Next, let's talk about effects. Figma offers a variety of effects such as drop shadows, inner shadows, layer blurs, and background blurs. These effects can be used to create depth, focus attention, or add a touch of realism to your designs. Remember, less is more when it comes to effects. A subtle shadow or a slight blur can make a significant difference. Now, onto one of Figma's most powerful features, component creation. Components are reusable design elements like buttons, icons, or headers that you can use throughout your design. The beauty of components is that when you make a change to one, it updates everywhere. This is a real time saver, especially when you're working on a large project. To create a component, simply select the element you want to turn into a component and click the Create Component button in the Properties panel. You can then drag and drop instances of this component wherever you need them in your design. And if you need to make a change, just edit the master component and watch as all instances update automatically. Lastly, don't forget to make use of Figma's auto layout feature. This tool allows you to create responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations. With auto layout, you can easily adjust padding, spacing, and alignment of elements in your design, ensuring consistency and saving you a lot of manual work. With these advanced techniques in your tool belt, your designs will go from good to great. So, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep designing. Because with Figma, the only limit is your imagination. Figma isn't just a design tool, it's a collaboration tool. It's a platform where you can share your creative visions with others, no matter where they are in the world. Imagine you've just completed a design and you want to share it with your team. Figma makes this a breeze. Just click on the Share button, add the email addresses of your team members, and voila! They can now view and interact with your design. But it doesn't stop there. Figma takes collaboration to the next level by allowing you to leave comments on designs. Just select the comment icon, click on the part of the design you want to comment on, and type away. This way, you can provide feedback, ask questions, or even brainstorm ideas right there on the design. And the real magic? Collaborating in real time. You can see others' cursors moving around the canvas, making changes as they go. It's like being in the same room, working on the same design, even if you're miles apart. Figma empowers you to collaborate with others.